Today we are ready to share the latest news with you. Rising oil prices support a slow but steady uptrend of the Russian ruble. Besides, the ruble benefits from a weaker US dollar that lost its ground after the release of non-farm payrolls on Friday. Market participants are also worried about a possible tightening of the monetary policy in the United States. Meanwhile, disruption to U.S. crude supply caused by Hurricane Ida raises concern among investors and supports oil prices. Oil seems to be entering a sideways channel with minor attempts to move higher. As we can see on the chart, this process has already started. Following an attempt to break through the resistance level of 73.50, Brent edged lower again. At the moment, it's trading in a narrow range of $70.50 to $73.50 a barrel. This trend may continue right until Thursday, when the U.S. Energy Information Administration will publish the fresh data on crude oil inventories. Oil stockpiles are estimated to drop by more than 8 million barrels last week. If the forecast is true, oil will continue its bullish run. As for the WTI crude oil, it faced resistance at the level of $70.60 per barrel. Then the price pulled back from this recent high. Two scenarios are possible now. In the first case scenario, the price may consolidate below the level of 68.20. After that, a further decline towards $67 is possible. In the second scenario, WTI quotes may hold above the local high of 70.60. This will open the way up towards the range between $71.50 and $72.50 per barrel. Analysts believe that the second variant is more likely. Yet no major changes are expected until Thursday, and the current price range is expected to stay the same for the next 2 days. On Tuesday, the Russian currency is trading lower against the US dollar. The dollar-ruble pair opened the day gaining 0.15% and is now trading at 73.10. The dollar bulls were able to take control thanks to some technical factors that signaled oversold conditions on the pair. In other words, this rise may be temporary. As soon as traders switch their attention to the fundamental background, the ruble bulls will attempt to push the pair lower to the level of 72 rubles per dollar. Meanwhile, the euro versus the ruble pair is recovering from a recent fall that took place between August 27 and September 3rd. The euro has regained almost half of its losses against the ruble. Since one of the main technical indicators has not yet entered an overbought zone, the pair has a good chance of further growth. According to analysts, consolidation above the level of 86.95 may pave the way towards the upper target of 87.53, with a subsequent rebound of several pips. And now let's sum it up. Unlike major currencies, the Russian ruble is trading more actively, although it is still declining. The reason for this is that the ruble's reaction was a bit delayed on Friday, while the euro and the pound were rapidly losing ground. That is, the ruble is simply trying to catch up with the rest of the currency pairs. And given that other majors have entered a flat channel today, the same may happen to the ruble. However, it is more likely to extend its weakness before trading flat. And that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.